Meaning of detumescence.
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 Detumescence. Detumescence refers to the process of decreasing or reducing swelling, inflammation, or an erection. In terms of erectile dysfunction, detumescence refers to a return to a flaccid state after an erection. This is typically brought about by the release of nitric oxide, which helps to relax the blood vessels in the penis and reduce blood flow. Other common causes of detumescence may include physical activity, changes in position, or cold temperatures. Overall, detumescence is important for maintaining overall sexual health and function.